My goal is to be financially free. My name is Cayden. I am 44. I'm a full-time tutor. My goal is to be financially free. After I achieve my financial goals, then I will go and travel, bring my kids all around and do interesting stuff. My friend recommended it to me strongly. My favorite part in VIA is the software to find the undervalued stocks. The most helpful lesson is how to monitor the stocks, how to monitor my portfolio, and also the button pressing. Yeah, I would recommend VIA to my friends, especially those who have not a lot of experience in buying stocks.